Today it's Tuesday, October 1st, 2024. They're my friends behind of me, that's why we are laughing here. We have some good time. The 113K, today progress. New oil cap, back in place. New alternator, in place. Okay, opening the bolt for the supercharger oil and dumping the oil in. I already torqued down. Yeah, did you say that yesterday? Yeah, okay. This bolt is for final here, it's been adjusted properly and it's flush. Okay, with one drop of blue Loctite, same thing here, same thing here. Allen bolts here, but it's not being torqued down because I'm waiting tomorrow the inner belt, the V-belt, to change it. And I'm gonna have the heat shield and the manifold. Like I said, it's a small update, dumping the oil inside the supercharger. That's it. So yeah, 1 minute video. Do you have? Let's talk about something. How's the weather outside? Yesterday it was raining, right?
Yeah.
Today it's better.
It is.
They had some parts under my building there, my house, and they flew away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was the road, the roundabout?
Which roundabout?
You said
It was fine. It was not flooded.
No?
No, it was acceptable. I didn't have to wear a swimming suit, you know, or a life jacket. It was good. It was fine. Yeah, just to fill up a little bit the video, you know. You know what? There is one song, the one that I told you that we are one step from the doctor for the crazy doctor and all these things. I don't know if it has a copyright, to be honest. Let's put it on. Why not? No, let me dump the oil first and then. So what? Even if I put, let's make it this way. Yeah, no problem. Today we're a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more sleepy, if you like, right? I asked also the other guys outside, and none of the guys they want to work. Me neither. I want to go home and sleep. But that's a different story. Let's put the oil inside, and we're gonna see how we're gonna continue. We might make a music video. Do you remember when I said before that it's gonna be a short video? Yeah, that's my life.
Not so much.
Not that much, yeah. Okay, I'm coming here to put the cable, the positive. That's for the starter. It comes like that from here. This goes to the bell housing. This goes to the floor. Where's the positive? Who cares? Alright, leave it there for now. This goes to the alternator. But obviously because there is no light, you're not gonna see it. Okay. Obviously, we're gonna fit this one here. This how it's gonna fit here. So I'm done. Okay, nice. I don't have to change the cover. Lovely. Lovely. I was thinking that, you know what? I have to change the cover. Okay. No. Oh boy. Alright, plan C. You're gonna ask me what was the plan B? I have no clue. Let's remove only the cover. Just the cover. Just the tip. The cover. Let's see. Okay. Also, this is Boss, obviously. I might go wash the cover if it fits the cover there. Yeah, it has. Okay. Yeah, lovely. Alright, not a big deal. Not a big deal. And that's how you convert an OE to OEM. Spot the difference. The difference is this one. Here it doesn't have. Both are Bosch, but this has Mercedes part number. Not bad. And I can put even the new one on the old one, just like that. And I can put the old one to the new one. And what I have to put the nut first inside. the hell am I doing? It goes like that. Dang it, I forget how it goes. Like this. Yes, that's the way. Alright, that's the right way. So that's why I was missing this piece. Alright, so and that's how you convert an OE to OEM. Let me put it on. Done with the alternator. Torque down. Okay, the wiring, they're gonna take care of the wiring outside, the guys, not me. They're gonna fix also the plugs here on the ignition coils and whatever plug it comes apart. Alright, this is a signal for the starter, this is the positive for the starter, this goes, like I said, here front, it's engaging on the starter, this is what? Sealant? Dang it. Who put sealant here? Yeah, 1 second, I'll go through it. It comes together, slowly, but it comes together. Right? Yeah. Did I said about the belt it comes to tomorrow? Most probably I already said that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and the plug. Also this plug it comes. That's why I keep it there. Alright, today progress. I just torqued down, I changed some bolts, I torqued down the bolts, the oil cap, alternator. Anything else? No, nothing else. Nothing more, nothing less. The rest, when I'm gonna receive the belt, exhaust manifold, and the bolts for the starter, right? Yeah. Whenever I have any new parts, I'm gonna make a video. Or, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. If I receive, let us say, the headers, I'm gonna make a video for the headers. If I receive only the heat shield, I'm gonna make one specific video only for the heat shield. To put the heat shield on, and then I'm gonna torque down the bolt, and then I'm gonna finish. That's it. It's gonna be 20 seconds video. We're gonna see. That's it. Over and out. Thank you.